Hello everyone, we've been receiving feedback that some users have been getting a red light on their Everlasting Comfort humidifier. This can be due to a few reasons, but the solutions are relatively simple. We'll go over the solutions on how to solve the red light issue in this video. You can also refer to the troubleshooting guide located on our website at everlastingcomfort.net. So here are the most common causes of the red light. The first cause is extremely simple. There's no water in the water tank. Turn the humidifier to the off position, unplug from the wall, simply fill the water tank up with water, and you're good to go. Alright, so once the water tank is filled with water, just place the water tank onto the base. Wait a couple seconds until the base fills up with water, and then make sure to turn the knob to the off position, and then to the on position. The second cause of the red light issue is that the atomizer is dirty. To clean the atomizer, turn the humidifier to the off position, then unplug the humidifier from the wall. If the base is not already filled up with water, add a few ounces of water to the base. Then, clean the atomizer with a brush or a cotton swab and empty the humidifier of the dirty water. Usually, only a brush is needed to clean the atomizer, but if the atomizer is heavily soiled or caked up with mineral deposits, simply add a few ounces of water to the base and use one small dash of dish soap. Then empty the base of the soapy water mixture. If you're using soap, make sure to rinse the base with water, making sure to not get water into the underside of the base where the circuit boards are located. Then dry with a towel, focusing thoroughly on drying the atomizer. Now, plug the unit back into the wall, put the water tank back on, and turn the humidifier to the on position. The third cause of the red light issue is that the floater is either missing or stuck to the bottom. Sometimes, mineral deposits in hard water can cause the floater to stick to the bottom of the base, especially when you haven't used the humidifier for a while. Therefore, when water is added to the humidifier, the floater does not float, and the humidifier senses that it's out of water and won't turn on. To clean the floater, turn the humidifier to the off position, unplug from the wall, and add a few ounces of water to the base and a very small amount of dish soap, and clean with a brush or cotton swab. Then, empty the base of the dirty water. Make sure to rinse soapy residue with water, making sure to not get water into the underside of the base. Next, dry with a towel and double check to make sure the floater is not stuck to the bottom of the base. Now, add a few ounces of water directly to the base and make sure that the floater floats. Then, put the water tank back on the base, plug the unit into the wall, and turn the knob to the on position. The fourth cause of the red light issue is that the unit was turned on too quickly when the tank was put onto the base. When the tank is first put onto the base, you must wait a few seconds until the base fills up with water. The fifth cause of the red light is that there is too much moisture or humidity in the circuit board. This could be due to running the humidifier in a high humidity environment, running the humidifier on a wet surface, or getting water into the circuit board, which can sometimes happen during cleaning. There is an air intake on the bottom of the humidifier and water can enter in through here, causing damage to the circuit boards. In this event, turn the knob to the off position, unplug the unit from the wall, empty the base of all water, dry with a towel, and turn the unit upside down and let dry for 24 hours. If you know water has entered the circuit boards, you can remove the air filter and blow compressed air through the vents to quickly dry out the circuit boards. If all of these steps fail, perform one last unit reset. Turn the knob to the off position, unplug it from the wall, and wait 2 minutes. Then plug the humidifier back into the wall, fill the water tank with water, and turn the knob to the on position. If none of these steps work, please contact our customer support team at support@upperechelonproducts.com and we will send you a new unit. Again, that is support@upperechelonproducts.com. No returns required. Thank you.